Was your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips head screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These will help you safely and effectively replace the battery in your HP Pavilion 450. First, power off your laptop and disconnect it from any power source. It's crucial to avoid any electrical hazards during this process. Next, flip the laptop over to access the back panel. You will notice several screws securing the panel in place. Using your Phillips head screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and place them in a safe location to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the casing. If you find it difficult to open, check for any screws you may have missed. After successfully removing the back panel, you will see the internal components of your laptop, including the battery. The battery is typically secured with a few screws. Using your Phillips head screwdriver again, remove these screws. Once the screws are out, carefully disconnect the battery connector from the motherboard. This step is crucial. Ensure you pull the connector straight out to avoid damaging the pins. Now, take your new battery and align it with the connector. Gently press it into place, ensuring it is securely connected. After that, replace the screws that hold the battery in position. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you can have a professional handle it for you. Before reattaching the back panel, it's a good idea to clean the internal components. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust or debris that may have accumulated. This will help maintain optimal performance and prevent overheating. Once you've cleaned the interior, place the back panel back onto the laptop until aligned properly and press down gently until it clicks into place. Then, replace the screws you removed earlier to secure the panel. Finally, flip your laptop back over, reconnect it to the power source, and power it on. Check to ensure that the new battery is recognized by the system. If you encounter any issues, remember we provide a professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert help without any pressure. In summary, replacing the battery in your HP Pavilion 450 is a straightforward process if you follow these steps carefully. Always remember to quote before repair if you decide to seek professional assistance. With our services, you can enjoy no calls, no travel, and a hassle-free experience. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.